So, good day everyone. Today I will walk you through a Java program that demonstrates three popular sorting algorithms, which is the quick sort, the merge sort, and the heap sort. And we'll also compare their performances in sorting an array of numbers entered by the user. So, let's get started. So, here Here we import arrays for easy array manipulation and scanner for reading user input. Yeah. And then here this line defines our class name. Sorting exercise 2. So, muna nga to ang public class. Here, here we declare the merge sort method, which takes an array and two indices left and right to define the part of the array we want to sort. And here, this checks if the left index is less than the right index to ensure there's more than one element to sort. And here we calculate the midpoint to divide the array into two halves. And here we recursively call the merge sort on the left and right halves of the array. After sorting both halves, we merge them back together using the merge method. So, merge na sila. And here, this defines the merge method to combine two sorted halves into one sorted array. Here, here we calculate the sizes of the two temporary arrays we'll use for merging. And here we create the two temporary arrays L and R and copy the relevant data from the original array to them. Here, here, Here we set up indices to track our position in the temporary arrays and the original array. And then here this loop continues until we have merged all elements from both arrays. And here these loops add any remaining elements from either temporary array back into the original. And then let's move on to the quicksort method. So here, this defines the quicksort method that sorts the array using quicksort algorithm. In by So here we call the partition or int by method to rearrange the array around a pivot and get the pivot index. Here we recursively apply the quicksort to the subarrays before and after the pivot. And here this defines the partition method which organizes the array around a pivot here in pivot. So we select the last element as the pivot for partitioning. So money. Then let's move on to rearranging elements. So for int j, so this loop compares each element to the pivot, rearranging them accordingly. And then swapping elements. So here we swap the elements to ensure those less than the pivot come before it. Here, i-swap na natong elements para ma-switch ko itong mga gagmay. Then here, the final swap. So this swaps the pivot into its correct position. And let's move on to heap sort. So heap sort. So this defines the heap sort methods for sorting array using the heap sort algorithm. Here, we build a max heap by calling heapify on each non-leaf node. And this loop extracts elements from the heap, placing yeah, this loop extract elements from the heap, placing them at the end of the array. Then this is the heapify method. So this defines a method to maintain the heap property. Kani, mo ni na method, heapify method. So here, largest. So we initialize the largest element as the root, and then here we check if the left and right children exists and are larger than the current largest. So if mas dako pa siya sa current largest, meaning i-swap na to sila. Then here, dara-dara swapping na. So here, so if we found a larger child, we swap and call heapify recursively. So if makita tag mas dako na value, meaning i-ko na to i-swap tas mag-heapify ta. Then here this method measures the time taken by a sorting algorithm to sort the array. Then starting timer. So we start the timer before the sorting begins. And then based on the selected algorithm, we call the appropriate sorting method. Then here we stop the timer after the sorting completes. And here we finally display the sorted array and the time taken for sorting. So yeah. So now we move on to the main method. This morning. So this is the main method where the program execution begins. Then reading user input. So here scanner. Muna ni. Scanner equals new. So money we create a scanner object to read input from the user. So that and then prompting the user. So system.out.println kani. So magpapili pa kanon kung unsa na number yang inputang. Example 1245 kana. And then string input. So we read the user input as a string. And then string inputs. We split the input string into an array of strings. So here. So this loop converts the string array into an integer array. So kanina loop, ina-convert niya ang string array into integer array. And then choosing the algorithm is so dali na mamili ang user kung unsa na sorting algorithm yang pilion. So dara switch choice. So we use switch statement to handle the user's choice. And then for each case na dere ang nato ang sort algorithm. So case 1, you have the merge sort. Case 2, you have the quick sort. Case 3, the heap sort. And here the default ang kuan pag wala sa choices ang iyang gipili. Example mo, mag-choose yag 5. So automatically lalabas ang invalid choice ng atong default. So that's all. Scanner close. So ito sa ning iparan, hindi compare nato ang performance nila. So mag-enter tag list of numbers, no. So example 32, 45, 12, 8, 9, 6, 2, 4, 6. So 7 naman ata ni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So walang pag-isa. Kuan 29. Okay. So dire mamili na taon sa sort. So let's choose first merge sort, which is 1. So time taken, so 0. So paspasa, no. Ano. So I mean total time, yeah, here. 1 in total time taken. Then testingan na po nato ang kuan. Irira na po nato. Enter 34, 56, 12, 23, 28, 4, 2, plus 37. Quick sort. So, yeah, functional. So as you can see, mas paspas ang quick sort kanina if ano mo. So ang quick sort is 27, no? Ano na total time. So lastly is the heap sort. So in their numbers 78, 45, 33, 36, 10, 18, 2, 4, 6. Walang ba isa to? So here, clear na tong 3. So nara 26. So mas paspas ni siya, no? Or mas paspas ang next one. Tanaw na to niya, i-compare na to niya kung asang mas paspas. So irira na pala to. Oh. So my hat. So 59, 45, 67, 23, 12, 20, 2, 4, 6. Wala pa isa. 9. So, wala man atatag sort, no? So, Iran ato nang i-compare sila. So, 4. So, ang merge sort kay same naman sila. Time taken. So, almost the same. Finished na. So, yeah, that's all. And thank you. Morning mo tong complete program. So, yeah, that's all. Thank you.